Well, hello, my little rays of sunshine. How are you all doing out there today? I'm Michelle the Introvert, and here I am in Yarmouth, Nova Scotia. My husband and I were just outside. Gerald was shoveling a little bit, and I was helping him as well. But we went to take a look at the driveway. The snowplow went by earlier, and we have a huge pile of snow at the end of the driveway from the snowplow, and the snow is very heavy. There's no way that we can shovel it. Like Gerald said, it would be like shoveling the weight of bricks. It would be like shoveling bricks. It's that heavy. It's like a wall of heavy snow. There's no way we can shovel that out ourselves. So Gerald right now is looking to hire someone to plow that through. So we'll see what happens. It's going to be an interesting day. If you want to join us, that would be great. We would love to have your company. All this snow, it's all part of being in Canada. And our neighbor over there, he's actually stuck in the snow. He can't get his car out. It's actually stuck halfway on the road and halfway in his driveway. He has some people assisting him. I don't know if they're going to be able to get him into the driveway. We'll see. They might need more help. But yes, it's interesting about Canada. In the winter times, you can get quite a bit of snow, quite a bit of chill. And of course, that means hot chocolate, doesn't it? So I hope that Gerald will be able to get hold of somebody to plow us out. I'll show you the driveway once more. As you see, our sidewalk, we were able to get that shoveled. Ooh, can you hear the wind? And we made it up to this point here. The snow is very, very compact, very, very heavy, like a wall. And there's a lot there. And it would be just too much work, too hard for Gerald and I. Gerald had to call into work to say that he just couldn't get out of the driveway. And there's the road right there. You can see the difference. It's quite high, this amount of snow. I'm getting cold. I gotta go back in. I gotta go back in. I hope that you're all nice and toasty warm where you are. My hat. What a huge help. Wow. Oh my, what a big help that man was. Look how good of a job he did. Pretty amazing, amazing, amazing. And I've got my shovel here just to do a tiny bit of shoveling in comparison to what there was to do. What a huge, huge help. Wow. Wow. Nice people. You can see that huge wall of snow is now gone. And Gerald and I just have to shovel a tiny little bit. You can see the car. Big difference compared to what there was to do. So I'm gonna help out my friends and I'll see you back inside. So Gerald wasn't able to get hold of anybody, unfortunately, to come plow the driveway. the plows must really be busy today. That's probably why he couldn't get hold of anybody. So that meant that Gerald and I would have to take the shovels, there they are there, and very carefully, we have to do it really careful because of our age. We're both not youngins anymore. So that meant that Gerald and I would have to go out and very carefully shovel that wall of snow. And the thought of that was kind of, well, but we gotta do what we gotta do, right? So Gerald and I, while we were out in the driveway, starting to pick away slowly, carefully at that wall of snow in the driveway that was blocking us from driving the car out, I did some praying. I was praying, Lord, help us, please help us. Please bring someone to help us. And just as I finished praying that prayer, a truck came down the road with a plow. Just like that, right in front of us, and we flagged him, we waved, we flagged him down. And Gerald was talking to him. It was a nice gentleman. And Gerald asked him if he could hire or pay him to drive or plow our driveway, and he said yes. And Gerald asked him how much he charged, and he charged an amazing price. I couldn't believe what a deal. And we did kind of give him extra because, oh my goodness, what a huge help. So he plowed out our driveway. Such nice people in Nova Scotia, let me tell you. We've got really nice people in Nova Scotia, always willing to lend a helping hand. Well, my friends, it's been a very interesting day, but I'm very, very happy and thankful that it has a very happy ending. And this is part of the happy ending, is some hot chocolate. This will help keep me nice and toasty warm. And the cold weather, it can just stay outside. The cold weather, it better just stay outside. And I'll just stay inside my apartment home. And I'll just stay nice and toasty warm. I want to thank you all, my friends, for joining me here today. It's been quite something, hasn't it? It's been always, you never know what's going to happen here sometimes. But I'm glad that you're here to share the experience. It's great having you. If you like this vlog, please give me the YouTube thumbs up or press that subscribe button. That would be great. And I have more vlogs coming up, so stay tuned. And I'll talk to you all soon. Talk to you soon, my friends. Bye. Bye. Oh, cheers. Bye. Thank you.